Spectrum cable boxes primarily use Network Time Protocol, NTP, for automatic time synchronization via cable signals or Wi Fi. This ensures the on screen clock and program guide display accurate time. Modern boxes correct for time zones and daylight saving time automatically. However, issues can arise from signal disruptions or firmware glitches. If your Spectrum box's time is incorrect, it's usually due to a temporary loss of signal or a need to refresh the connection. First, power cycle your Spectrum box by unplugging it for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This often resolves minor syncing issues. If the time is still incorrect, navigate to the Settings menu, usually through the menu button on your remote. Look for Settings, then Time, and ensure Auto Update is enabled. If you're in an area that doesn't observe DST, like parts of Arizona, you may need to manually adjust the time zone or DST setting. For persistent problems, use the Spectrum Support app's QuickTime Fix Wizard or contact Spectrum Support directly.